Okay. All right, so what we doing now, babe?
We were just bracing the shed
Okay.
before we put the walls up.
Bracing the shed. I might need to stand over here and hold it up.
Pick it up. No, you got it.
I know, but I have to get down. And Twana came all the way down from where? Atlanta. How was your drive?
It was peaceful.
Yeah. Did you see a lot of cotton fields?
I did.
Yeah, my sister said that
You
yesterday.
see what our people used to do?
I wanted to pull over and get some cotton
I
for
was
real.
tempted.
I really did.
You was tempted.
I was very well. When we was going to Lowe's, we saw a whole bunch of cotton fields, and I just started thinking about that bag of cotton I bought from CVS. It's like I could just go out there and grab me some free cotton.
Yeah.
But I didn't, so don't worry. Anybody got to report me.
I definitely thought about it.
Yeah, because it's so much.
So much.
That's right. We kind of put the other piece up there. The long piece. I know, right? Let it go.
You got no long wood we can stand this up with?
Should have did the two ends first.
So, Twana, how you feel coming out on the farm for the first time and your cousin putting you to work?
I really want to just get one of those long chairs and lay out here and go to sleep.
That's called a hammock.
Yeah, that's what's needed.
Yeah. Unfortunately, your cousin don't believe in rest and relaxation. You believe in work.
How many that battery?
Right.
I do. Some shit you just got to get done.
Yeah. Once it's done, then you'll be able to relax.
You say you relax at night.
I mean, it get dark early, so we won't be out here long.
I can see Charles getting those bright lights. What you call floodlights?
Yeah, like
just to be able to work in the dark.
He put lights on his lawnmower just so he can cut in the dark.
I can see that.
So all this crap about it'll be dark and we won't be done. Yeah, no.
He ain't trying to hear none of that.
He ain't trying to hear none of that.
You got to improvise.
We cut it down because we had the bodies longer than the height. So we had to cut them down. back. I want to talk about when I offered to cut down those trees, and I said, let me use this thing here.
I'll teach you when.
What's this thing called again?
Change. See, that's why you can't use something you don't know what it is.
Wait, I said, let me use the chainsaw so I can help cut down the trees. And you said, what now? I might hurt myself.
Yeah, she might hurt herself.
I find that really offensive. Because you're trying to say that a girl can't use the chainsaw.
I'm just saying, you know, the pissy girls.
I'm just saying you better watch your back because I got a chainsaw in my hand.
Chainsaw Master?
Exactly. I done seen the movie. Twana, you seen it too?
I seen it.
I done seen the movie. That's all I'm saying.
You gotta be careful, Charles.
Exactly. We up here trying to hog.
It only got 1% left on it.
Exactly. That was y'all. Whatever.
I think I can use the long ones.
They right there, the long one.
This brace good.
Are you done with this?
Huh?
You done with this?
Yeah.
See, that's also what I'm good for. Picking up sharp tools off the ground so people don't cut
So
themselves.
he won't hurt himself.
Exactly.
Well, she got to be good at something.
Wow. So much shade when he needs my help.
Right.
We're going to get this 16-inch. 10-inch. Get that brace up so we can put the bottom braces on, then we can start on the goddamn wall.
Tonight, hopefully, if it get cold, it'll feel something. Well, what time is the black room?
What you need to get to now?
I thought we were going to go get the lamp.
Oh, outside now? Yeah, they open. Till about 7, I think.
So at least when we put the
Hey,
lamp
Twanda, come up. Baby, Twanda's short. Come get on the ladder. Baby, you get right here on the end.
Okay.
So you can hold this up.
But I'm short.
Keep throwing insults left and right.
Back to back. I don't even need to stand on the ladder. I'm tall, man. How about that? How about I'm short?
Okay.
Nah, I'm too tall, matter of fact.
And then he give it to us and ain't ready.
Right.
I'm trying to figure out what I do with the bag.
Oh my goodness. What y'all might not know is Mr. Williams Homesteadhaven will lose his left arm if it wasn't attached. I'm just saying.
You just saying?
I'm just saying. Exactly.
Guys, all the shade.
If I would have got on the ladder, I would have been too tall.
Yeah.